there. Okay, this is how you integrate two levels. Well, I'll go through them right now. So this is obviously my Canvas shell. You're going to go to settings. Then you're going to go to, as soon as it loads here, navigation, and you want to pull the Cengage tab up here. So it's in your home screen, and then you'll save. Now you're going to see it here or anywhere you put it on this side. I'm going to click on my Cengage tab, and it is going to ask me to search. Sometimes the first thing it might ask you to do is ask for your Cengage username and password, just so we can marry in your account to Canvas. So once that's done, you'll come to this page here, and you will search by book. You will find the personal finance, make sure it says MindTap V3, and click that. Now there's two ways of integration. The first way is going to be a course level link, meaning that students would go into into Canvas. There would be one for them, and that they would go right into MindTap through the link. The second is integrating each individual assignment. I'm going to show you that right now. So what you'll do now is if you have, for instance, I put Sylvia's course in there, you're going to say copy from my existing course. You're going to find that course there in the list of courses that you have. Select it. You have to rename it just because you're essentially creating a copy of that course. Let's give it a start and end date again. Select your time zone, and then continue. Now, the next question is going to be where it asks you if you want the individual essentially link. Okay, I want to synchronize an overall course score. That is if you have just one link. And in this case, we're going to be almost done with the linking of MindTap into Canvas. So I'm going to click that. If you want to synchronize individual activities, I'm going to show you how to do that in a second. But for now, because that can be changed, I'm going to click that. So now what's happened is I have on my home page here, I have created a link right here, and you can name it whatever you want. Obviously, you can name it MindTap so students see it. But I have this link, and I would click into there. Students would then be prompted into registration for MindTap, and then they would have MindTap. Again, that's the one link. This will deliver one column grade into Canvas for the entirety of MindTap. Now, the second way to do it, and this requires a little bit more work, is to do individual links of assignments. And how you would do that is to go to Cengage again from this page. I recommend doing this on a small level, so only pulling assignments over in small batches. So first it says course score. We need to go out to activity score. This switches it so that all of the things that are scoreable will have an individual gradebook column within Canvas. Now I'm going to go through, and it's going to give me all those assignments that you see. If it doesn't have an X right here, or I'm sorry, a box, it does mean that there is it's not a gradable activity. So it's just a normal activity. There we go. So I'm going to go through here, for instance, and I'm going to select what I want. Let's say I'm going to pull over chapter 1. I'm going to pull over these concept clips, etc., practice module, whatever you select, and you're going to say confirm. It's going to confirm your selections and say save. And this is why I recommend doing it at the in small batches, because now when I go to my page, I have all of those assignments individually listed right here. And obviously for organizational purposes, that's why I recommend pulling them over in small batches so that I can move them, put them whatever module I want, then go back. Every time I go back to Cengage, I'm going to be able to do the same thing. So this now I've already done chapter 1. I'm going to go find chapter 2 and move it over. So this is, if you integrate the courses, students need no instructions other than to click the link within Canvas. So don't give them those course URLs at all. The same practice would happen for the Warren book. You'll find the Warren book in there. Make sure it's Warren Financial Managerial 14th edition. So if you have any questions, let me know, but that's kind of a brief overview of how to integrate. Pretty easy. But let me know what questions you have.